Hi, I'm Cassie with Surprise Let's Play, and today we're going to be opening the SkullPanda Addams Family series, 6 of them. I have a whole box of the other series, but I didn't want to open them all right away, so I figured I would open 6 and save the last 4 for another video. So without further ado, let's just get started. I'm really hoping to get Wednesday Addams and the kitty from this series so we can get Parker, Pugsley, Uncle Fester, Scarlet Morticia, Gomez, Grandma, Great Uncle Sloom, Lurch, Dark Knight Morticia, Kitty, It, and Secret. So we already have It and Grandma, so we won't be getting those. And yeah, without further ado, let's see who we get. Don't show off the card yet. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, who's this? This one is Parker. So cute. What does Parker have behind their back? Oh, okay. The little doll. This is Rock. Okay. So it must be in here. The head for the doll. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. And it is magnetic, so... There. So cute. And then we have the card. Inside the box. Cute. This is Parker on it. And Addams Family. Who are we gonna open next? Let's open this one. So again, I am hoping to get the kitty or Wednesday Addams. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think this one's Pugsley. So cute. I love how he has an interesting little like gaze. Look at that little belly button. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is adorable. And behind him, I think is, oh my gosh, this is actually soft. Is TNT. So cute, Pugsley. Let's make sure there's nothing inside. No, there's nothing inside, and then let's get Pugsley's card. Pugsley, so cute, so cute, so cute. So we'll put him here. All right, next we can open this one. That was a nice save. We don't know who that card is. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What's this? Oh, is this a Morticia? Oh, she's so cute. Oh, and there's actually a chair. Ooh, this is velveteen. Wow. This is so soft. Look at her with her cutting her rose heads off. Oh, that is so cute. And there's a little spider in there. Oh my gosh, I love this one. There's 2 little spiders. Of course, they're not real. Oh, they're so cute. And then she has this chair. So let's open up this chair. She actually sits on the chair. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Here, we're gonna put her here. Ta-da! And here is her card. Oh, maybe we did see her card, but I just didn't. So Scarlet Morticia. Oh, she's beautiful. Okay. Next up, we can do this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, cute. I think this is Uncle Fester. And it has a soft little, like, scarf. And then cute little, like, checkered socks. Oh, so cute. I think this is Uncle Fester. Yes, this has to be. Look at the inside of his little guys. Oh, so cute. Uncle Fester. And in the back, he is holding some type of cross. And, like, a little... I don't know what that is. But his little undies, that's so cute. Let's see if this shows what he's holding. No, it doesn't, but Uncle Fester. Oh, that is so cute. I love Uncle Fester. He's adorable. Okay. Let's open our next one. Let's just open this one. This one's kind of heavy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's the kitty. Meow. So cute. It is the kitty. And it has a really fuzzy head, like a flocked head. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. And then let's get the card out. So here's Kitty. So cute. And let's open our last blind box. And we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, is this another Morticia or? Yes, this is Dark Knight Morticia. So she must come with something. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. So she comes with all of this. Sits on. I think she has like this makeup brush in her hand. Here, let's look at the card. And see how she is posed. Okay, so she has some flowers to the side. She's been cutting them up. And then this really cool, like, crystal ball. Well, right here. And then she's holding her makeup brush. It's so cute. Dark Knight Morticia. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, definitely click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Definitely comment below which one was your favorite and which one would you like to see. I think my favorite out of all of these was the kitty because I've been wanting to get the kitty. And then my next one is probably the Velvet Morticia. The Scarlet Morticia. So anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to catch you guys next time. Bye!